how to convert Revolut points or Rev points to cash. First, you will need to enter Revolut. So just load up the app right here. And once we are in Revolut, you want to click on Rev points in the bottom right corner. Once we are taken to the Rev points screen, here you will see redeem. So just click on redeem, and it's going to show us all of the different ways that we can redeem our Rev points. So depending on the version of your Revolut, you will have an option for gift cards. Unfortunately, my country does not support gift cards, but here from this list, ways to redeem, you will have gift cards. So if you want to get cash with it, you will choose the gift card option. Then you will choose a gift card, which is allowed to be converted into cash. And that way you can exchange your Rev points for cash. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.